Let's make a surprise ball advent calendar. And for this we need rolls of crepe paper, tape, pen, scissors, maybe some glue, and lots of little presents. They need to be small because they need to fit into the surprise ball. And most of my things are secondhand that I got from Vinted, like little jewellery bits, little fidgets, teddy. These are new though. These are from a really nice independent maker called Jane Foster. I also got a few sweeties and some chocolate coins. So the idea with the surprise ball is that every day they can unwrap a layer of paper. It's a little bit like playing pass the parcel, but then on your own, and you have to wait a day until you can unwrap the next layer. But let's start making. So I'm gonna start with the biggest present, the one she's gonna get on the 24th, and I'm gonna wrap that in normal tissue paper, just in case I don't have enough of the crepe paper. So that's all wrapped, and let's get a bit of tape. And then we're gonna write down the number, which is 24. So that's our last present. Okay, we're gonna do then, we're gonna get another present. Let me get one of these little fidget thingies. You're gonna get your crepe paper and you're just gonna roll it around. Make sure the present is well hidden. Let's cut the paper. Get the glue. And close it. And write down 23. So that's the way it's gonna go. You're just gonna present, wrap, tape, number. Okay, let's continue making. Let's do a big bow. Actually, I'll pop it over there. Should do right. Present, wrap, cut, glue, stick, and add tape with a number. 10, 22. Let me do a few more layers and I'll come back to you. Don't worry too much if it doesn't look like a ball yet in the beginning. The more layers you add, the more you can shape it into a ball. Just look where you think you need to bulk it out, put your present there and keep wrapping. And we are already on 14. In case you're wondering, I'm keeping track which numbers I've done, because otherwise I will definitely forget what I'm doing. Points. No, let's do bow. Nearly there. This is the last present. And let's find a little hollow bit there of the ball. And keep wrapping. And that is number 1. So now I'm gonna wrap it in this red one. So now your ball, well, sort of ball shape, it's finished. It's time to decorate. You can either wrap it with a really nice bow, or maybe cut some leftover pieces and we could make into a bear with little ears and a nose. or use some of the leftover color and maybe do some color accents on there. Whatever you like to do. If you enjoyed this video, please have a look at all the other videos here on the Handmade Home channel. I made several advent calendars in the past and I'm loving this surprise ball, but I think my favorite might still be the squirrel, the handmade squirrel that got a piece of clothing every single day. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and I really hope to see you back again soon.